Amid the row over alleged exam irregularities, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a high-level task force to revamp India's examination system under the National Testing Agency. The panel will be headed by Infosys co-founder and technology expert Nandan Nilekani. The high-level panel will focus on strengthening the security, transparency and reliability of the exam process. The task force will submit its recommendations to the government, which will then frame steps to ensure the credibility of future examinations.
फ्रेंड्स, विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के लिए भारत सरकार लगातार अनेकविध कदम उठा रही है। जिन लोगों ने विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ किया, वे जेलों में सड़ रहे हैं। लेकिन हमें भविष्य के लिए सोचना है। हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति विश्वस्त हो, हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति ट्रांसपेरेंट हो, हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति में सबसे ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग हो। इन सारी बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए विश्व प्रसिद्ध टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट श्रीमान नंदन नीलेकनी जी के नेतृत्व में एक हाई पावर टास्क फोर्स बनाने का निर्णय किया है।
PM Modi's announcement comes a day after the protest over NEET exam paper leaks led by the Cockroach Janata Party ended after Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. The task force will comprise a multidisciplinary group of experts headed by Nilekani. Nandan Nilekani is a technology entrepreneur, co-founder of the tech giant Infosys and one of India's most influential digital architects. Born in 1955 in Bengaluru, Nilekani graduated from IIT Bombay with a degree in electrical engineering. He was the first chairperson of the Unique Identification Authority of India, which developed the Aadhaar system. Nilekani has also previously led key digital transformations of initiatives in India. In 2019, the Reserve Bank of India appointed him to chair a 5-member panel tasked with recommendations to expand the country's digital payments ecosystem. Meanwhile, newly appointed Education Minister Prahlad Joshi has conducted his first review meeting with officials of the Education Ministry after assuming charge. During the meeting, Joshi took stock of key education sector initiatives, ongoing programs and policy implementation.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पूरा विश्वास रख के मुझे ये जिम्मेदारी सौंपा है। पूरा डिटेल्स जो भी इधर अभी हमको देखना है, निर्णय लेना है, इस सब के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देने का और पूरा मिनिस्ट्री समझने का कोशिश मैंने किया।